good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. As the competition draws closer, Kirk is putting an extensive effort to ensure he stands out on the international stage. His physical training, Kirk is undergoing rigorous physical training to ensure he's in peak condition. His workout regimen includes strength training, cardio exercises, and flexibility routines, all designed to enhance his physique and stamina. His commitment to maintaining a well-rounded and athletic appearance is crucial, given that physical fitness is a significant aspect of the Mr. World competition. His mental preparation. Apart from his physical preparation, Kirk is also focusing on his mental well-being. He's engaging in mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga to stay focused and calm under pressure. His approach to mental preparation highlights the importance of resilience, which is essential in handling the various challenges of the competition. Social and cultural awareness. Kirk is dedicating time to understanding and promoting social causes, aligning with Mr. World emphasizes on humanitarian work. He's actively involved in community service projects and is preparing to present his advocacy on the global stage. Additionally, Kirk is brushing up on his knowledge of global cultures and current events, ensuring he's well prepared for the interview round where contestants are often asked about their views on global issues. His wardrobe and styling. Fashion plays a key role in pageantry, and Kirk is collaborating with top Filipino designers to curate a wardrobe that reflects his personality and heritage. His outfits are being tailored to make a strong impression in both formal and casual segments of the competition, showcasing the best of Filipino craftsmanship. And aside from that, public speaking and presentation. Kirk is owning his public speaking skills to ensure he communicates confidently and clearly during the competition. He's working with coaches and perfect his stage presence, ensuring he can engage the audience and judges effectively. As the final event in PhanTet, Vietnam approaches, Kirk Bundad's preparation are in full swing, with a balanced focus on physical fitness, mental resilience, social advocacy, and cultural pride. He is setting himself up to make a significant impact at Mr. World 2024, proudly representing the Philippines on the international stage. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!